हेलो मेडगाला आ रही भाई ए गाड़ी निकाल सचिन गाड़ी निकाल
Come on, bro. Let's go. I got it. See.
चलो चलो इसमें बैठ को
See, music system also is there.
which car
Porsche. Today you're going to watch the Southside react to the Met Gala. Anyway, by the way, they invited us, no?
yeah they called no Medgala people they called they told come आजा रे कहाँ है
They told आजा रे.
they आ जाओ भाई
bye.
बड़े फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर ऐसा
Wow.
बैंगलोर में 2 boys are there full crazy fashion they do आ जाओ जल्दी आ जाओ
Very-
फास्ट में आओ बाद में टाइम नहीं था जरा बिजी थे ना उसके वास्ते तो नहीं हुआ जाना so anyways let's showcase our costumes to the people
Please tell us what is this?
this is this is a very imported Gucci lungi.
Gucci?
It is, yeah, Goochi.
Correct.
Gucci.
That is the correct spelling.
Yeah, it's a Gucci lungi, and we have got the home bed sheet.
Home bedsheet.
Yes, this is the home bed sheet I've got.
This is the brand Home.
Yes. Home.
The brand is Home.
No, my home. And apart from that, my shades these are Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton.
Yeah.
Wow, this is the parent company of Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, Vuitton. Anyone will wear Vuitton. You wearing show.
That's the way.
What are you wearing, Mr. Sachin? What is this?
This Chamkila.
Yeah, what is
This
this?
is to show the shining personality from within. Within everyone there is a shining personality. So I worn it on myself only.
Disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. What is the towel inspired by?
Bro, this is inspired by actually being late today. There were repeated calls, a lot of death threats from my friends Haram and Yunus saying if you don't come here in 10 minutes,
Correct.
we will kill you. So immediately I just put on one towel that I found outside and I came. Today we're going to be reacting to the most outrageous outfits worn in Met Gala. Not just this Met Gala, in the history of Met Gala.
Oh, चिन्या आ जाता जल्दी देखेंगे
100% bro, but before that.
Yeah. लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करो भाई मेरा इंस्टाग्राम का अकाउंट तो चलेगा भाई यहाँ भी सब्सक्राइब करो वहाँ फुल गलाडे चल रही आ जाओ यूट्यूब को देखो जल्दी सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाओ कमेंट सेक्शन में जाओ आउटफिट किसका अच्छा है मेरा इसका पहले देखो वो बोलो
Towel. Oh,
हु इज दिस
is that
डोजा कैट ब्रो इसके बालान जले हुए दिख रही यू नो व्हेन यू बर्न समवन्स हेयर विद अ लाइटर नो
why do you know how it looks when you
See,
burn someone's hair with a lighter?
ब्लैक एंड ब्राउन मिक्स व्हाट इज द चीता प्रिंट
See the cat? No. Bojack cat.
Nice.
So a little bit.
It is horrible. I will give 2.5
2.5
out of 10.
That is very generous. She looks like Malingano, bro.
Yeah.
Malinga after bowling
Yes.
Yorker practice.
Correct.
She looks like that.
Correct.
Oh, look at that, bro. That's Captain Black Sparrow.
Skinny pant he is wearing. ये सब ट्रेंड में नहीं है क्या थी भाई ऐसा पहनना जहाँ हवा आते जाते रहते लुंगी जैसा पहनने को आया तो जरा अच्छा रहता था टाइट पैंट पहनने को ऊपर एक कोट डाल दिया ब्लैक कलर का
Correct.
टोपी अलग कौन सा धूप पड़ रही है टोपी डाल लेना
But look at that, bro. Leave the topi down. You can see there's a heart. He's in his lover boy era. This is the before version of the college father in a Ujala ad, bro.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा थू जरा भी एफर्ट नहीं है जरा भी फैशन नहीं है खुद के ऊपर क्या है क्या पहने ना शर्ट है ना पैंट है और मैं क्या करे सीने ब्रो you know in Pindal
Pindal means?
Pendal when you put Pendal no in festival and all we put Pendal on the road you see that Pendal का कपड़ा डालने को आया सीने bro I guess I'll give him like 1.25
I'll give him 7 because it looks like he's escaped a condom and come, bro. Wow, that is Hit and Morton's new product. They've collabed on it.
मच्छरदानी है ये बेड के ऊपर लगाती नहीं
हाँ
मच्छर आ जाते तो इन्हें मच्छरदानी लेको आ गया
correct. It's
लेकिन इतने बड़े इवेंट में मच्छर आती क्या है मच्छर कहीं को पहले को आगे सो
no, it's the machar that is wearing the outfit.
ओहो नेट डाल लगो आगे लेकिन मुझे इसका समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि why she hide I mean what is the aim behind
No, bro. She'll stand there and one player will stand here, one player will stand there. Then they can play volleyball.
Nice, yeah, it might be possible.
It's badminton. It's a moving badminton court.
Okay, sister. Very
So
good
it's
attempt she has done to wear the.
Is it a net profit or a net loss?
I feel for me loss.
Loss.
If no net, then good. If net, then no problem.
It's more protection out of 10.
Out of 10, just because for the machardani, what effort she has put in, I would give 5.
8 because she's promoting sports, bro.
Oh,
She's promoting sports.
ये क्या है? बुड्ढी के बाला.
Expired cotton candy, bro.
वो बुड्ढी के बाला.
बुड्ढी के बाल.
उन्हें है क्या?
Macha, this outfit is actually nice, Unoda. Her hair is a problem, but okay. Bro, that you know they sell no, bro, and that when you're going in the car,
हाँ.
the signal they'll come. They'll have that brush.
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy, no brush, bro. That.
Oh, this one.
This one.
This
Hey,
one.
wow, yeah, this one only. Bro.
It is this.
Wow, my man's prepared. Wait. Come here. Come, bro. We'll also look like her. They're recreating this look.
Oh, but what is this? I mean, देखो जरा भी पैसे खर्चा करना है इतने बड़े इवेंट को आती बालां के ऊपर कपड़े पर तो खर्चा करती लेकिन जरा हेयर के ऊपर भी खर्चा करना.
Bro, it's like, see now in Bengaluru, I think she's from Bengaluru. And you know how in Bengaluru suddenly...
उल्टा तवे पर रख डालती नहीं सिर को वैसा है इसके बाद.
No, I'm saying, I think she's from Bengaluru.
Okay.
Udgi, you know how the rainy season is there.
हाँ.
It's a natural umbrella.
Oh, for the umbrella initiative, what you have told me, I guess I will be able to give her a 9.
9. That's amazing. I will give her a 9 too. Because it's a good initiative, ma. We need it because it's a rainy season is
Auntie
coming.
बहुत अच्छा काम कर को ही है.
Oh.
Eskimo.
Bro,
Very good.
this is, I think she was an astronaut, but she also really wanted to get married urgently.
हाँ.
So, unite.
Oh.
She's getting married in space.
नीचे
First,
से गाउन ने ऊपर से एस्ट्रोनॉट. She is who? Rihanna.
Would you marry Rihanna?
हाँ?
Would you marry Rihanna? She comes like this to you.
नहीं भी.
Why, bro?
मेरे से नहीं होता. अगर उन्हें रुखसाना रहती तो मैं करता था. रिहाना नहीं होता.
Out of 10.
Out of 10 with the amount of packing जो अंदर से है, I will give her a good 6.25.
I'm giving a 10 on 10 with this because I'll tell you, I have a personal story. I'll tell you why. Because this is how I want my food from Zomato and Swiggy to be packed. So this is, I'm going to use this as a reference and send them in the column. Like, please pack it like this and give.
क्या बोलता हूँ कि भी नहीं मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आया. रिहाना है कि बिछाना है कि बैठाओ यजमान. Oh, Kaju Katli man. He's the Kaju Katli man. Look at the shine he has. This is what happens when you don't have a bath after playing Holi.
The colors mix and they...
No, straight away they put. He has not had bath for past 3 months.
So he's supporting Indian culture. Oh, Lil Nas, macha.
Little no, he is. Little Nas has done a very little work. Out of 10, I will give him 0.35.
0.35.
Yeah, 0.35.
I'll
No,
give
no, no. I will change my decision. I will give him in minus 3.
-3.
Yeah. Anyways, is minus the clothes as well.
Mine also, bro. Minus. Okay, because he reminded me of Kaju Katli, I'll give him a 3.
3.
3, bro.
क्या?
Whoa.
घोड़ा जुरासिक पार्क के कामा ये नहीं करने का रहता तो एनिमल को अगर प्रमोट करने का रहता तो आरसीबी का शेयर है उसका लोगो डालने को आना था.
Out of 10,
Out of 10, I would give her for the donkey effort fancy dress competition what she has done. I feel I'll give her a 9.
9.
I feel she should have become a post box.
Hey! Yunus, you enter!
Brother.
Hey, I knew you told you didn't know.
कॉपी कर यार ये साले.
That is
कॉपी करता म्हणजे.
Bro,
I
that's
put
not...
bedsheet. This guy has put कंबल and कंबल means comforter.
Comfort.
Comforter is डालने को आगा. इतनी ठंड लगने को थी इसे.
Who's this guy?
कौन है ना?
Travis Scott.
Travis Scott ने. हाँ? ASAP Rocky.
ASAPly meet Yunus and tell him sorry for the copyright.
Copyright डाल तू साले मेरे
Don't
कलर
talk
का.
about Yunus right now. Let's not talk about copyright. It's
मेरे ऊपर बहुत पड़को है अभी. Bro, but what is it? I guess he was in fever. He had fever. बहुत बुखार थी इसे.
It's like he's like those guys on Instagram creating fake accounts of you.
Yeah. इसे ठंड लगने को थी इसे ठंड लगने को थी, बखार में था, तो इन्हें कंबल ओढ़ने को आगा सो.
Nice, bro. I really think your outfit is much better.
100% नहीं तो क्या, more vibrant, more colorful, more flowers on this. What the hell is that? Out of 10, because he has copied, I will give him 0.
0, yeah. You can't
No
copy.
creativity. Yes, आप राखी कहते हैं. Yes, आप you remove that कंबल.
Yes, you remove that comment.
Yes. Yes, आप get out of the Met Gala. Or else I'll give you a गाली. Yes, आप. Oh माँ. तोड़ ले डुअल सिम. एक फोन में 2 सिम.
What is this, bro?
This is dual SIM network.
This is
phone.
this is AI.
This phone 2 SIM. Here also.
My thing is, if it's a Christian, no, in the wedding, she has to keep flipping. Stand here, then go. That's what I do. I do. You may kiss the bride. You know, out of 10, out of 10,
क्या बोल रहा है सीधे?
out of 10, 5, bro, because she's only half. Bro, this is for women's safety, bro. Like, it's a guy who cares about women so much that he'll first see if anyone's being creepy around, like coming behind the girl, and then immediately turn as a guy and I'll get belted. Because I don't think he can throw a punch. But it's the intention.
नहीं भी ये dual SIM मुझे तो समझ में आ रहा नहीं. I will give him a.
Hey, the much I told you in my house, there's one thing in the middle of the.
क्या रही है? तू क्या करे सीधे?
Bro, she's very homely figure, bro.
Bro, what is this, bro?
She's a very homely. You can take her home. You can. This is what you say. This is what they say. This is what. This is the no. This is the visual representation of like you can take her home to your mom. Your mom will love her.
Why?
You can nicely fit on top. She belongs at home, bro.
भी मेरे भाई तो मैं समझता हूँ ये मेडगाला करने पैसे नहीं थे करंट की बिल बनने के वास्ते. उसके वास्ते इसे ब्लैक को ही और इन्हें कैंडल शैंडिलियर बन को आको है. लेकिन दिस इज रियली नॉट एट ऑल. व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट द हेल इज दिस?
Fashion.
Bro, if this is fashion, then this is super fashion. Out of 10 for the lights,
How it depends. If it's a dark street, 10.
I feel I would give her a 11
11, huh?
Yeah.
Why, bro?
because her future is very bright.
Ah.
अभी एक है.
Surprise entry.
कौन है?
3, 2, 1.
मीटा रना बड़े बड़े फैशन सेलिब्रिटी आ रहे थे. मीटा रना अगर कौन भी ऐसा हेयर स्टाइल कर सकती, मैं मान लेता हूँ बात ये माँ की साथ. इजमान सल्यूट. इनका फैशन की बात ही नहीं आती.
Where's your hair, bro, like that?
If Salman Khan goes to Met Gala, it will be real galata. That too with this hairstyle and bootcut jeans and his walk. Over. International doma bhakti.
Isn't he like a little old for that?
Old. A bit jawani so cool insan hai. 50, 60, just 60.
Okay. Just
Just
sweet 60. Sweet 60.
We are very sweet.
Out of 10, how much?
आउट ऑफ 10 100 भाई. इजमान के बारे में बात करेगा तो इजमान अगर मेट गाला चले गए हेयर स्टाइल के साथ पूरे साफ अंग्रेजा लुंगिया छोड़ को भागती.
Bro, you do the outro, macha.
थैंक यू गाइस फॉर वाचिंग द साउथसाइड रिएक्ट्स. प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब भी बटन यहाँ से प्लीज जरा सब्सक्राइब करो भाई. इतनी मेहनत कर डाल रही. यहाँ है कहाँ है यहाँ है नहीं
You're only one.
यहाँ से बटन सब्सक्राइब करो भाई. एंड विच आउटफिट डू यू लाइक?
Yeah, was it my towel or no?
मेरी गुची की जो लुंगी है नहीं वो अच्छी थी. सो कमेंट में बोलो. एंड एनीवन हु वांट्स टू सेंड देयर आउटफिट, recreate their outfit for Met Gala, send it to us and we'll reshare it on our stories.
Yes, if it's crazy, we'll share it on our stories.
उतना खत्म बात. चलो भी निकलेंगे.
Okay.
हेलो मेट गाला. आ रही भाई. ए गाड़ी निकाल सचिन. गाड़ी निकाल.
Come on, bro. Let's go. I got it. See.
चलो इसमें बैठ को
See,
जिंगे.
music system also is there.
विच कार?
Porsche.
पहुंचा. चलो भाई. मेट गाला आ रही रे. आओ पूरा रेडी है. कपड़े सब रेडी. आ रही.